Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I got very stressed my brain. So it means I'm very tired because my head is still getting worse my own because I'm not feeling well here from this one. We are here from this analysis of these games here in Norway Chess 2025. So it means Armageddon 1 from this one. So these are the time within blanks here. So these are fill in the blanks here. So the white pieces here is 10 minutes and the black pieces is 7 minutes here from this one. In today's Armageddon 1 and also have between from this teammate from China from this Grandmaster Lei Tinchi versus the Grandmaster in first women world champion Zhu Wenchun. So it means very close friends from this friendship or maybe best friends here from this one. In today's Armageddon 1 here in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Norway Chess 2025. So white plays Lei is e4, e5 Drew, knight f3, knight f6 is called Petrov defense, classical variation, d4, d5 by Zhu. So it means these are the times opening by 10 minutes by Lei Tinchi and the black pieces by clocks within 7 minutes by Zhu Wenjun here from this one. So it means rapid chess here from this one. It's called rapid chess. So let's continue d5 by Zhu, bishop d3 again by Lei, bishop f5 by Zhu. So it means all main lines again is knight to c6. Knight to c6 is the main lanes here from this one. So it means bishop f5 by Zhu, castling by Lei, bishop e7 upcoming castling by Zhu Wenjun, rook to e1, castling by Zhu Wenjun, and also knight bd2 by Lei Tingqi, and knight to d6 here. So knight to d6 by Zhu Wenjun. So what do you think if you capture this knight takes d2 here from this one, and also queen takes knight. So if you capture this, bishop is captured and queen takes bishop. So it means these are the so it means time controls good slide patterns from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is knight to d6 by Zhu Wenjun. So it means I'm sorry, these are the hanging virus my laptops here from this one. Cannot work my determinations here. So it means knight d6 by Zhu Wenjun, and also knight f1 by Lei Tingqi. So it means upcoming by move by forward knight to g3 by knights by Lei Tingqi here from this one. And also bishop g6 backwards, knight e5. So it means knight e5 novelty again. So it means only knight to g3 here are best lines here. So it means best lines. So it means novelty is jumping knight e5 by Lei Tingqi here. Bishop takes captured, knight takes, and also knight d7 by Zhu Wenjun. So it is realized by doubles by knights here or determinations here. Bishop f4 by Lei Tingqi and rook to e6. c3, c6. So it means these are pawns here from this one. Queen to b3 by Lei Tingqi here. So it means without strongest movement by white pieces here. And also b5 and also b5 by Zhu Wenjun. So realize here with idea to move by a5 or maybe without doubles here from this one. And also a4 with a threat by pawns, and a5 with a stop by a5 by white's pieces. Captured, knight takes captured, and knight to e3 by Lei Tingqi. So it means these are the realized by doubles here. So it means doubles by knights here from this one. These are continuations by the developments from this one. And knight to b6 by Zhu Wenjun. Sorry, so it means I'm sorry, I got forgetting my brains. So it means knight b6 by Zhu Wenjun, and also queen backwards d1 by Lei. So it means without backwards, queen c6 here, and also queen to h5. So it means without strongest move by Lei. So realize here with the determinations here, or maybe without continuations here from this one. Bishop f8 and also knight f5. So it means without Strongest move by late in G here from this one. Rook to E6 here. And also G3 here by lay. So it means without movement here. And also A4 with a push by Ju and Jun. And also Knight C5 with the threats by rooks. Rook takes captured, so it means bad move by Ju and Jun. So the best moves there is rook to backwards E8. So it means rook to backwards E8. So realize if you capture this one, rook takes captured and also queen takes captured. So it means the realize here is the determinations here from this one. So back there, this one is rook takes captured by Ju and Jun. Rook takes captured. Rook a7, another bad move by Ju and Jun. So the best moves there is one is g6. So it means without threats by knights and queens. So you realize here from this one. So it means if you move by decided queen backwards h3 and decided to capture this knight, so it means losing by whites. Wins for whites here. So back there is rook a7 and also bishop to a5. Good move by late in g here, and also f6. So it means threats by bishop. So it means with idea to captured. So what do you think the captured by brilliant sacrifice move by Grandmaster Lei Ting from China? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is Bishop takes captured. Brilliant move by Lei Ting. What a sacrifice move here by double exclamation mark. So with idea to captured by brilliant sacrifice by strongest move by Grandmaster Lei Ting. And also rook to f7 by Chu and Chu. So for example, why don't we capture this one sacrifice by bishop is here from this one. So what do you think from this one? And also queen to g4 check. So it means without check here and decided this one is forced to king h8. So it means the realize here. So determination. So these are the threats targets by bishop 2 behind the stay by bishop here. So it means cannot move by here. So it means these are the threats or maybe with the targets by rooks and bishop. So continuations here from this one. So back there is rook f7 and also knight to e7 check and also bishop takes captured and also queen e8 with the threats by bishop here and knight to d3. So it means I'm something by mouse here, so it virus my hair from this one. So it means this one virus here. So it means knight to d3 by late in here from this one, and also knight c4 by Ju and Jun, and also bishop b4 without move by here or the realize here by threats by openings by rooks, threats by queens here. So determinations here without threats by queens or maybe without neutralized by queens here from this one. I'm sorry, I got something by sore throat. So I cannot very lower voice here. Lower. Um so it means queen c8 by Ju and Jun here and also queen e2. So it means the realized by queen e2 by late in g here from this one, and also h6 by Ju. So it means these are the continuations, and also queen e8 check here and Ju accept queen takes, rook takes check, king h7, and also king g2 with a king must be active, and also g5, rook e6, and also rook c7. So it means, so these are the rook. So without threats by pawns, so realized by threatening by pawns here from this one. So it means these are the threats by targets by pawns here, and defense by rook c7 without develops here, and also h4 by lay, captured, and also a3 captured, knight takes captured, so it means without knight takes captured, and h5 by lay. So what do you think if we capture this bishop takes? Bishop takes a3 here, and also knight takes bishop. So it means examples. Two slight betters from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is h5 by lay, and also knight b5 here, and also knight f4. But I realize here, so without decided to focus by Leiting Chi here from this one, and also knight d2 by Ju Wanchun. So it means knight d2 here. So it means without move by forwards, and also knight g6 by lay. So it means without movement or without continuations here, and also knight e4 by Ju Wanchun. So it means the realize, or I don't know what you think here. So it means the realize to the idea to move by knight to g5 by Ju Wanchun. So it means the threats by rooks. These are continuations here from this one. And also knight f8 check, and also king g7 check, and also king f7, rook takes captured. So it means without captured here, or maybe here without captured. And also knight f6 here. So it means knight f6 by Ju Wanchun, and also knight g6 by lay, king to g7 with the threats by rooks, and rook to h8. So it means blunderatious by Leiting Chi. So it means double question mark. So the best moves there is bishop to f8 check. So it means without forgotten here by moves here. So it means we need to bishop to f8 check. So if you move by king to here, king to g8 here from this one, and also rook to f8 check. So if you move by here to king to f7, and also check. So it means realize to repeating here from this one. So back there is, and also back there is rook to h8. So it means blunderatious by Leiting Chi. And knight takes captured with a sacrifice, good move by Ju Wanchun. And also knight takes sacrifice by knights, king takes knight, and also rook to e5 by lay. So it means without movement here. King f6 with the threats by rooks, and f4, rook c8, and also king f3, rook to h8 with the idea to move by check. So it means without check here from this one. And also king e2, rook h3, and also king d2, rook f3 with the threats by pawns, and also rook h5, king g6. So what do you think if we capture this rook takes f4 here from this one, and rook to h6 check? So it means if we move by king to g5 here, and also decided this one is rook takes pawn. So it means 2 versus 1. So it means wins for whites by lay. So it means these are continuations here from this one. So back there is king g6 by Ju Wanchun with threats by rooks, and rook h4, king f5, and also rook h6 with the threats by pawns, rook takes captured, rook takes pawn, and rook f2 check. So it means bad move by Ju Wanchun. So the best moves there is king to e4. So you realize too without stopping by kings or determinations here from this one. So back there is rook f2 check, and also king e3, good move by lay, rook h2, and also rook c5, another good move, precise move by Leiting Chi with the strongest move here. And also rook h3 check, and also another good move, king d2 check, king d3 check, king c2, and knight to a7 without realize here from this one. rook takes captured, and also king e6 with the threats by rooks, and also rook d6 check, king f5, king b3, king must be active, knight c8 with the threats by rooks, rook c6 threats by knights, and defense rook h8, d5, and also knight a7 with the threats again by rooks, rook backward c5, king to e5, and also push d6 opening by check, and also king e6, and also rook c7 with threats by knights, knight b5 with the threats by rooks, and also check, king d5, and also check, king c6, and knight pawn takes knight, so it means without pawn takes knight, or maybe without check, king takes pawn, rook e5 check, king c6, and rook c5 check, king d7, and also rook c7 check, and king e6. So how many clocks? 10. So it means 10 seconds by Lei and 21 seconds by Zhu and Chun. So it means 9 seconds here. And bishop to c5, rook d8, and king c4, and rook b8. So it means 10 seconds by Lei Tingji and 18 seconds by Zhu and Chun. So it means 9 seconds here. So it means rook b8, and also rook e7 check, and king f5, and also rook e1 with a move by check. So it means without targets here, without threats by kings here, and also king f6 here, force move, king d5, and also rook b3. So it means without move by check, or maybe without check here on this one. So it means without check, and also bishop d4 check, and also king f7, and also rook f1 check, king e8, and also king e6 here, and rook b6 there. So it means rook b6, and last shot rook h1. So it means resigned by Grandmaster Zhu Wenchun. So why she resigns? If you move by rook d8, only move here, and also d7 check. If you move by king f8, and also rook h8, mating net. So it means mating nets here from this one. So it means lose by blocks here. So the score from a currency by Grandmaster Lei Tingji is 87.6, and the score by Grandmaster Zhu Wenchun is 82.7. So it means a currency is good. So the winner from this one in Armageddon's one in Norway Chess 2025 is Grandmaster Lei Tingji. So it means congratulations. These are my favorite players. So I will continue to analyze by round number 2 or 3 or 4, 5. So it means I'm not yet done finishing analysis here from this one. I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. So it means I'm sorry I got this one. The screen is very hanging by virus here. So it means etc. So have a good day, keep safe, and bye bye.